quick tutorial on how to pull Robinhood data into Google Sheets. I wanted to give you a brief clearing that this is very experimental because it's using Robinhood's private API to pull the data. So I just wanted to let you know, if this video doesn't help you, it's not my fault. They might have changed the rules from up under us. So what we have right here is a stock analysis sheet that I got copying from a YouTube video I found. I could drop the link for that in the description below. And what this does is help me figure out how much dividends I receive from a company, um, what's the annual dividend rate that the company offers, how much passive income that I'll be getting from my shares, and it projects what my earnings will be if I get a certain amount of shares. This took entirely too much work, and I was elated to find out that there's a way to pull in this data even faster using Robinhood's existing API. What this is currently doing is using Google Finance, which is completely um, free and you're able to use it. You could run commands like equals Google Finance and get the name of the companies, the current share price, and the PE ratio, and things like this. But I want Robinhood data because I want to know the exact numbers that my portfolio is performing, and the numbers are kind of off. So I was doing my little Google research, and I came upon something that was very helpful on a Reddit thread. Um, Let me see if I could find it. Robinhood Reddit. So there's Robinhood for Google Sheets, and it lies in a it lies in a GitHub repository where you follow these instructions and you could run these commands on the Google Sheet and it will work, and you could pull in your data. So if you follow these instructions right here, which I'm going to help you figure out so you know what you're doing, you'll be able to pull in that Robinhood data into your Google Sheets. So first, what you do is create a new Google Sheet. So let's say we do a blank canvas like this. Um, you hop into, so what you're going to do is go to this GitHub repository and click this link right here. And you're going to get some some code. What you're going to do is press raw, come here, press save. We want to save this as just remove .text. We want to save it as .gs, and it already exists because I have it on my file. So you just press where on your computer you want it to be and live. So now I have my Robinhood username and password. I'm gonna obviously change this after I show you this. I'm gonna blink this out. So you have your Robinhood username and password, and now we're gonna log into Robinhood.com. I'm gonna use um, I'm gonna use a new tab. I'm gonna use an incognito tab. I'm gonna go on Robinhood.com, and we're gonna sign in because you need your username, password, and you need a device ID. Where is this thing at? You need a device token, which I'm also gonna blur out. So you need a device token. And to get this device token, you need to sign into Robinhood. So now, what you're gonna do, woo, 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 don't want you to see those numbers. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna hit the inspector tool, and we're gonna go. Oh, so we're gonna go into application, cookies, and we're gonna come down and grab this device ID down here. So you're gonna copy this, come back into the script, paste in your device ID token right here, and after you got all this information, you're gonna hop back in to your Google Sheet. What you're gonna do is go into Tools and add a script editor. So I already have the script loaded. So paste it, hop back into your sheet, and what you're gonna do is then call in the function. So what you could do is do a function like get dividends, close parentheses, and with that data, you'll be able to get what your current dividends are, say for each company that you have. That's when you could get fancy and you can add some formulas to it. So the thing about this is it's very static. Like it's not static, but like if I try to delete a column, it's gonna come back, and that's because how the script was created. But this is very helpful information still. Um, so you could pull in that Robinhood data. So like if I wanted to get rid of this, I just delete that first column. So now if I wanted to get the current value of my portfolio, I would do something like this, and you can get the market value of your portfolio. Um, I hope that this is helpful for you being able to get this information on the fly, and I really appreciate you. Like, share, subscribe, and hopefully you can get your Robinhood information on your Google Sheet. Thank you.